Alright, now trigonometric table. So we know the trigonometric table 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Do you know how do you get this? Do you know? So this is actually, so 0 by 4 ka root is what? 0. Then we have 1 by 4 ka root, which is half. Then we have 2 by 4 ka root, which is 1 by root 2. Then we have 3 by 4 ka root, which is root 3 by 2. And finally we are having 4 by 4 ka root. ठीक है? So 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Don't forget to apply the root. That's how you calculate the value of sine. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. I hope you are aware. And now you talk about radians as well. 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. Correct? Yes. Now to write the values of cos, what do? You just start picking from the end. So 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, and then 0. Understood? How did we do? So 1, then root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Sine and cos values, I hope in this manner you are able to calculate. Correct? Now let's talk about tan value. So tan value will be what? Sine upon cos. So 0 upon 1 is 0. Then tan pi by 6, that is 30 degree. So that is going to be 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3. Then tan 45 degree you know is 1 because sine 45 and cos 45 are equal. That is 1 by root 2. And same, this is root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 and not defined. And now okay, you can just proceed and reverse reciprocal the values for cot, sec and cosec. Okay. I hope the values are fine. है ना? Trigonometric table 0 to 90 degree. I hope that you remember the values. But the point is that in class 10th, we only know the values till 90 degree. We don't know the value of sine 120 degree. We don't know the value of 135 degree. We don't know the values of 150 degree and so on. So for that, we have this rule which is very, very critical, very, very important, which is ASTC rule. Okay, ASTC rule. ASTC. Okay. Give me a moment. So ASTC rule, before we study, let us first understand the correct definition of sine theta and cos theta. Now you must be wondering, ma'am, correct definition of sine theta and cos theta means what? What is correct? We have already studied sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Yes, it is true. But now you will understand it in a better approach in class 11th approach. Okay. So let us increase a notch higher, level a notch higher. So over here, can you see this is a circle? Okay. So we have 0. Then we have, this is first quadrant. First quadrant is 0 to pi by 2. Then we have pi by 2 to pi, that is your second quadrant. Pi to 3 pi by 2, that is your third quadrant. And this is your fourth quadrant, which is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Quadrant, although we will understand in detail, but right now let us stick to the first quadrant, that is 0 to 90. This is your angle 0 degree and this is your 90 degree. Let us take a point P in the first quadrant, which is x comma y. Okay, P, x comma y. Now if I talk about this point and if I join this point from the origin, and if I make a triangle out of it, can you see the triangle? Yes. Now can you see that if this is the point x comma y, then the vertical distance from the x-axis is always y and the horizontal is x. Okay. And if I assume this angle as theta and this r is nothing but the radius of this circle, then the definition of cos theta is nothing but abscissa of point P upon radius of circle. And the definition of sine theta. So what is that? Be abscissa of point P. So abscissa of point P is x upon radius, so x by r. What is x? So can you see x is base only. Base upon r, So base upon hypotenuse. That means that original definition, the previous earlier definition is also true. It is matching with this definition. And similarly, sine theta is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Y is our current perpendicular, which is what? Y coordinate. So ordinate of P upon radius of the circle. Now you must be wondering, ma'am, what are you writing? Abscissa means what? X coordinate. And ordinate means what? Y coordinate. Okay, so this is the definition of your sine theta and cos theta. Okay. Alright, I have already told you the weightage in the beginning, that one or maximum, there are very less chances that 2 questions come from this chapter, 1 or 2. Okay, I am talking about trigonometric ratios. 1 question hardly comes from this chapter, but you know, if I talk about weightage, you know, then this chapter is at utmost importance. Without this chapter, you are gone in your JEE journey. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, because calculus, vector 3D geometry, you won't be able to understand without this chapter. Okay, now a few things I just want to let you know. If my point P, so this P is a moving point, okay. So if my point P reaches this position, what would be the angle? So right now my P is here, so that's why this is my angle and this is theta. And at this point, angle is theta. If I move my P to this position, that let's say P0 is the position. Okay, so this position has x and y coordinate. Can I write x and y coordinate over here? So clearly that this is x-axis, and on the x-axis y becomes 0, right? What is y coordinate over here? 0. So P0, and what is the angle over here? Angle P0 makes with x-axis 0 degree. Right, so if I wish to calculate theta is equals to 0 degree, that means P becomes P0. Okay, right, so P0 and x-axis are coinciding, that's why the angle is 0. And now if I talk about the y coordinate of this point, it is 0. So over here, can you see that sine 0 degree, if I apply this formula, sine 0 degree will be equals to 0 upon r. So sine 0 becomes 0, thus this is the reason why sine 0 becomes 0. Are you getting my point? Okay, just one thing. Alright, so sine 0 is becoming 0. Okay, alright. Now let us talk about ASTC rule. Okay, ASTC rule. So ASTC rule says a very important thing. So first of all, this is 0, this is pi by 2. So from 0 to pi by 2, we are having first quadrant. Okay, from pi by 2 to pi, we are having second quadrant. Okay, from pi to 3 pi by 2, we are having third quadrant, and from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, this is 2 pi, we are having fourth quadrant. Okay, and now we can just rotate it as well. So this is 2 pi. Okay, so 2 pi, and this will be what? 3 pi. So this will be what? 4 pi. This will be what? 5 pi. Do you understand this? 5 pi also lie over here. And also if I talk about pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So 5 pi by 2. Then 7 pi by 2. So the positions, if I confirm the position, so basically this position of 0 is matching with 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi. All the positions will be here, okay? And if I talk about the left hand side, pi will be here, 3 pi will be here, 5 pi, 7 pi, 100 pi will also, 101 pi or 99 pi will also be here. Okay, left and right. I hope that this is clear. Now in first quadrant, what is this rule? ASTC? A is first quadrant, S is second, T is third quadrant, and C is fourth quadrant. Now you must be wondering, ma'am, what are you writing? Why are you writing letters A, S, T, C? So basically A means all positive. All positive means sine, cos and tan. All, and if sine, cos and tan are positive, Obviously sec, cosec and cot are also positive in first quadrant. Okay. Now let us talk about the second quadrant. What I am trying to say is sine of first quadrant angle. Suppose sine of 40 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree. You have seen the trigonometric table, right? So in first quadrant 0 to 90 degree, everything which is written in the trigonometric table in class 10th is always positive. Now let's talk about second quadrant. Second quadrant mein only sine remains positive. Only sine. And if sine becomes positive, then cosec automatically becomes positive. Okay. Cosec automatically becomes positive. In third quadrant T means tan. So tan remains positive. So automatically cot remains positive. And last but not the least, C means cos. We are talking about only the primary ratios. So cos is positive. So sec is also positive. Please remember this. Okay. ASTC. Now obviously there are multiple methods to remember this ASTC rule, like add sugar to coffee. Add sugar to coffee. Or one thing which once one of the students told me that, ma'am, I know a better way. So that was all science teachers are cracked. Okay. So all science teachers are cracked, and this cracked me up. कि अच्छा ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Okay. Alright, so this is your ASTC rule, all sine, tan and cos. Okay. Please remember this. Now you must be thinking that, ma'am, what are you teaching? Please, we are not able to understand it. Now you will understand it. 10% you understand this. Now we'll be going forward, and we'll be talking about two families. Yes. So there are actually two families, right? So two families, one of the family is k pi plus theta. So let me just tell you that pi plus theta, pi minus theta, okay, and we have 2 pi plus theta and 2 pi minus theta, then 5 pi plus theta. Are you getting my point? 100 pi plus theta minus theta, like these. So this is one of the families, which is k pi plus theta plus minus theta. Family number 1. Okay, and this is your family number 2. Family number 2 is odd pi by 2. Can you see odd pi by 2 plus minus theta? That means pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 5 pi by 2 plus theta, just like this. Understanding my point? So basically odd pi by 2. So we need to understand there are two families for ASTC rule. Okay. Alright. Two families. I hope that they are sorted. Okay. Now let me just show you one more thing, that if I ask you that pi minus theta, then pi minus theta, so this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 2 pi. Just tell me the quadrant which we are landing. So whenever I say pi minus theta, where is pi? So ma'am, pi is here. Minus, you are subtracting. That means you have to go what? Clockwise. Minus theta, remember? So you are subtracting theta, reducing theta. So basically anti-clockwise is the positive direction I told you. So 0, pi by 2, that means we are progressing. And if we have to subtract any angle, we have to go clockwise. So pi minus theta will lie always over here. We are reducing something in pi. So second quadrant. Pi minus theta is lying in second quadrant. Please understand. Pi minus theta is second quadrant. If I talk about pi plus theta, who is going to tell me? Pi plus theta, ma'am, lies in third quadrant. Okay, third quadrant. Now if I ask you what is 3 pi by 2 minus theta? Oh ma'am, 3 pi by 2 minus theta matlab clockwise. So again we are landing in third quadrant. Okay, and if I ask you 2 pi plus theta, so ma'am 2 pi is here, plus theta, plus means anti-clockwise. So if we add any angle, we go anti-clockwise. If we subtract, we go clockwise. 2 pi plus theta is ma'am first quadrant. And what about 2 pi minus theta? So 2 pi minus theta lies over here, which is in fourth quadrant. I hope now you understand that how do you reach out to the basically quadrant wise. Okay, so now let's talk about the very first family, First family is what? First family is pi minus theta, pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, pi minus theta, 3 pi, and so on. First family. So first family has a rule, and that rule says that if there is a sign, there will be a sign also. The answer will be sign. Sin pi minus theta will be answered in sign. Sign will remain sign. Sign will remain sign. Sign will remain sign. Cos will remain cos. No change. So in this family, there is no change. Okay. So whenever we talk about pi plus minus theta, 2 pi plus minus theta, that is the horizontal line. Can you see pi and 2 pi are lying on the horizontal line? Family number 1 is no change. Okay. Alright. Now let us start writing the ASTC rule. Now you will understand that what I am trying to say since last 10 minutes. Okay. So sin pi minus theta. First of all, let's target this angle. Who is going to tell me? Pi minus theta lies where? So pi minus theta lies in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sign is positive. So plus. And now since this family has no change, so sin ka sin theta. That's how we write. So sin pi minus theta remains sin theta. Okay, this is your allied angle formula. This is your allied angle formula. Okay. Now sin pi plus theta. If someone asks me sin pi plus theta, what will I answer? Sin 180 degree plus theta. So pi plus theta, that means we are adding an angle in pi. So that means third quadrant. Okay, so third quadrant mein tan is positive, that means sin is negative. So that's why minus, and since the family is pi, k pi plus minus theta, so sin ka will remain sin theta. Okay. Now 2 pi minus theta. Where is 2 pi? 2 pi is here. Minus theta, that means you need to subtract. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. That means sin is again negative. So sin ka, it will remain minus sin theta. Are you getting my point? Yes. Are you doing it with me? Okay. Sin 2 pi plus theta. Okay, ma'am. Let me do it. I can see the answers. 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi plus theta will again go in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. So sin will also be positive. Plus sin theta. Now rest like this. Cos 2 pi minus theta. Cos 2 pi minus theta, so we know. 2 pi minus theta, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant mein cos positive. And there is no change. Cos ka cos rahega. Cos will remain cos. Cos 2 pi plus theta. So 2 pi minus theta is in fourth. So 2 pi plus theta is in first quadrant. And in first quadrant all are positive. Plus cos theta. Tan pi minus theta. Okay. So tan pi minus theta. First of all, the angle. Always think about the angle. Pi minus theta. So ma'am, pi minus theta to second quadrant. Because if we add something to pi, we will land in third. But now second. Sin is positive. That means tan is negative. Oh. Are you getting it? Tan 3 pi plus theta. So 3 pi also lies over here. All the odd pi lies over here. All the even pi will lie over here. 3 pi plus theta. So it will be same as pi plus theta. So pi, this is minus, this is plus. So third quadrant. Third quadrant mein tan is positive. Okay, now I am getting it, ma'am. Now I am getting it little. Now this family to I know. है ना? K pi plus minus theta family to I know, ma'am. Now what about, ma'am, another family? What will happen in another family? What will happen in this family? 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. This family, what will happen? So this family will be following a change rule. And the change suggests, remember that complementary law we studied in 10th? Sin 90 minus pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta. So sin and cos will get interchanged with each other. Tan and cot will get interchanged with each other. And sec and cosec will get interchanged with each other. Okay? Alright. Now let us do quickly. साइन 3 पाई बाय 2 प्लस थीटा, इफ समबडी आस्क्स मी. तो मैम 3 पाई बाय 2, ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट राइट 0 पाई बाय 2 एंड पाई 3 पाई बाय 2 एंड 2 पाई. करेक्ट मैम? आर वी गुड? ओके, है ना? So ma'am, okay, 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So 3 pi by 2 ASTC also, let me just write. So ma'am, 3 pi by 2 plus theta means fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so sine will be negative. And now this time ma'am, sine will not remain sine, it will change, so it will become minus cos theta. Are you getting my point? Sin pi by 2 minus theta, तो मैम ये तो this is we have already studied in grade 10. Sin pi by 2 minus theta, that means first quadrant, and first quadrant all are positive, so plus cos theta, this तो we have already studied in grade 10. Now you know the reason behind this. Okay, now cos pi by 2 plus theta, तो मैम pi by 2, always think about the angle, pi by 2 plus theta, so pi by 2 plus theta is in second quadrant, and in second sine is positive, that means cos is negative, but we need to change cos ka, we will convert. What about this? Cos 2021 pi by 2 plus theta. अच्छा ये we cannot do actually. This इसके लिए we will leave it for now. हाँ, this sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Always think about the angle. 3 pi by 2 minus theta. 3 pi by 2 minus means this. So 3 pi by 2 minus theta is in third quadrant, and in third tan is positive, so cos is negative and sec is also negative, so minus cosec, this will get converted into cosec, and cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, so 3 pi by 2 plus theta means fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive, so that means cot is negative, so minus tan theta. Give me a big thumbs up if you have understood this. Give me a big thumbs up if you have understood this. Okay, all right. Now two things I would like to ask you. Two questions from my side. Now I have done enough questions. Two questions from my side. First question, second question. Are you able to do it? Yes? And if you have not liked the session, like it right away. Okay? Alright, cos 101 pi plus theta. So can you see that, okay, 0 is there, 2 pi, 4 pi, all the even pi position is here and all the odd pi position is here. So that means 101 pi will lie over here. Okay, and this is 0 pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, correct? So ASTC, correct? And now we are looking for 101 pi plus theta, that means odd pi plus theta. Odd pi is here. Plus theta will land me in third quadrant, and in third quadrant cos is negative, that is first thing. Now this belongs to family number 1, that means cos will remain cos. So cos theta. Cos theta. Minus cos theta is the answer now. है ना? Minus cos theta. What about this? What about this? Now this is for you to understand that there is a trap. This is a trap question. This is actually a trap question. Actually, this is 202 pi by 2. So if you cancel it, it is 101. So the second question is also 101 pi minus theta. Now 101 pi. 101 pi, the position is still here. But this time we are 101 pi minus theta. That means we are going in second quadrant. And in second quadrant, sine is positive, so cos is negative, and this also belongs to the family number 1. That's why no change. Googly question to you, my dear students. Same answer, yes. Why you are saying Akarsha? Akarsha, फंस गए ना? Trap. This was a trap question. Okay, now two things I would like to tell you, that two are my favorite things in this series: cos pi minus theta and cos pi plus theta. These two things are my favorite thing. Both are minus cos theta. And also on the top of that, if I talk about cos 2 pi plus theta and cos 2 pi minus theta, this is going to be, both are positive. So it is a set actually. First set, second set. है ना, ये हटा देती हूँ. These two are my favorite things. Cos pi, see why? Because cos pi minus theta negative, cos pi plus theta negative. Okay. Yes. All right. Now, one last thing in reduction formula I would like to tell you about the negative angle. So, negative angle means sine of minus theta and tan of minus theta. And here I am going to write cos of minus theta. Okay. So, basically this minus theta is nothing but 0 degree minus theta. Okay. So, if I just draw this ASTC, and this is 0 degree. So, minus theta can be written down as 0 minus theta. Now, minus 0 minus theta. So, 0 plus theta will move in first quadrant and 0 minus theta will move in fourth quadrant. So, every time we are in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant only cos is positive. So, only cos will remain positive. Rest everything will remain negative. And since this is from the family number 1, sine will remain sine, tan will remain tan, just that minus sign will be there. So cos minus theta is the only person who is positive. So that's why sec minus theta will also follow same footstep. वो बोलते हैं ना, जैसा बाप वैसा बेटा, like son like father, तो like that. Okay. तो similarly cosec minus theta, like mother like daughter, so minus cosec theta. And similarly minus cot theta if I talk about cot of minus theta. So only cos and sec, right? Why? Because 0 minus theta will lie in fourth quadrant, and 0 is what? Horizontal line, same position as 2 pi, 4 pi. That means this family is what? Family number 1. This is family number 1. Correct? Yes? All right, I hope that this is clear. Now I guess we should start solving some questions, है ना? Let's start solving some question. But before that, a few things I just want to reintroduce. What do we call it as? Reinforce. You already know things, but I just want to let you know that sine n pi is 0. What does that mean, ma'am? So sine 0 degree has same position with, see, if I draw this, tell me, 0 degree, 360 degree, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, है ना? And also pi, 3 pi, right? So all the positions are same. If sine 0 degree is 0, same position, same value. If the position is same, value will always be same. So sine n pi becomes 0. That means sine integral multiple of pi is 0. What does that mean? Sine pi 0 ma'am. Sine 2 pi, 0 ma'am. Sine 3 pi, 0. Sine 100 pi, 0. Sine 200 pi, 0. Sine 115 pi, 0. Are you getting my point? I hope that highlight number 1. This we will see in graph also. Graphically also we will see. So sine n pi is 0. ठीक है? Alright. And now cos odd pi by 2. So cos 90 degree, you know. Cos 90 degree is what? 0. So cos 90 degree, that means cos 1 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 3 pi by 2 is also 0. If I ask you cos 5 pi by 2, ma'am, 0. Cos 9 pi by 2, 0. Cos 101 pi by 2, 0 ma'am. Cos odd pi by 2 is 0. Okay? Clear? I hope highlight number 2 is clear. Now highlight number 3 and 4. Okay, highlight number 3 and 4. So basically cos 0 degree, if I ask you, if I may ask, cos 0 degree. So ma'am, cos 0 degree is, so cos 90 degree is 0, cos 0 degree is 1. So cos 0 degree, 0 is holding same position as 2 pi, 4 pi. So can you see cos even pi? That is cos 0, cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 6 pi, 8 pi, 10 pi. मैं पूछूं आपसे cos 102 pi, what is the value? Ma'am, 1. Cos 2000 pi, ma'am, even pi, तो 1. Getting my point? Okay. Now cos odd pi is minus 1. That means cos pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi, all the values are actually coming out as minus 1. Clear? Okay, alright. So these are the some of the highlights which we are again gonna cover in graphs. So we are going to learn all the graphs. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay? Alright. Now tan pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Okay. So actually this is very interesting. So tell me one thing. Yeah. For that I'm gonna draw a graph. Yes. Pi by 4 is 45 degree. Okay. 45 degree. So understand the value is either plus 1 or minus 1. 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 So tan pi by 4, these are from the same family. So tan pi by 4 either plus 1 or minus 1. 5 pi by 4 plus 1 minus 1, 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. How will we understand? So please understand, this is pi by 4, right? And this will be 3 pi by 4. And this is your 5 pi by 4. And this is your 7 pi by 4. Now all sine, tan, cos. So can you see in first quadrant, all are positive. That means tan pi by 4 will be positive. So now I can just go ahead and remove this. Tan pi by 4 is definitely plus 1 because pi by 4 is the angle which is lying in the first quadrant, right? Between 0 to 90 degree, 45 degree. What about this 3 pi by 4? This is 135 degree. The position is second quadrant. So the second quadrant tan is negative. So that's why tan is negative, yes. So this, if I talk about, tan 3 pi by 4 is becoming minus 1. Okay. So this is actually what? Minus 1. What about 5 pi by 4? So tan 5 pi by 4 is a positive 1. Why? Because 5 pi by 4 lies in third quadrant and tan is positive. And in fourth quadrant tan is negative. So that's why tan 7 pi by 4 is a minus 1. Are you getting it? Are you getting this point? And last 2 points are very, very important, very, very critical. These 2 pointers we are going to solve a lot of problems in upcoming session. Not upcoming, like in today's session, right? So these 2 things. So basically, sine pi minus theta, you know. This though you already know, na? If I talk about sine pi minus theta, you will say, ma'am, pi minus theta. So ASTC rule. This is pi minus theta, second quadrant. So second quadrant mein sine is positive, so that's why plus, and family 1 sine theta. Sine pi minus theta is equals to sine theta. What does that mean? Please understand this. If I tell you that what is the value of sine 10 degree, sorry, what is the value of sine 170 degree? So ma'am, the value of sine 170 degree will be same as the value of sine 10 degree. How? Ma'am, why? So basically, sine of supplementary angles are equal. So whenever you see 170 and 10, sum is what? 180 degree. That means angles are equal. Similarly, theta and pi minus theta, sum is pi. That's why they are equal. So if I talk about sine 150 degree, so what is the supplement of that angle? Who is going to tell me? So supplement of that angle is sine 30 degree. So ma'am, sine 150 degree is equal to sine 30 degree, which is half. Are you getting my point? So whenever I go to the second quadrant, 150 is from second quadrant. So you can just directly jump on to the supplement angle to tell me that ma'am, these two values are equal. One more question shall I ask? What is the value of sine 100 degree? Sine 100 degree. Sine 100 degree. Sine 100 degree will be equals to what? Sine 80 degree. Are you getting my point? So this sixth highlight is very, very important. Okay. All right. Now cos. This is again very, very important. है ना? So sum of cosine of supplementary angle becomes 0. See. So basically what I'm trying to say is cos pi minus theta. If I ask you what is cos pi minus theta. So ma'am, wait. Cos pi minus theta, pi is here. Minus theta will land me in second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine positive. So ma'am, sine is positive, so cos is negative. So this cos pi minus theta will be ma'am minus cos theta. So these two will get cancelled out and we are going to get 0. So if I ask you the value of cos 150 degree. So ma'am, cos 150 degree, wait. Ma'am, what is supplement of 150 degree? 30 degree. So it is equal to cos 30 degree with a negative sign. So that there is a different sign may it shares the same sign, but cos may it shares a negative sign. Okay. Alright, a few things. I hope that you understood all the 7 highlights. Now we are going to solve a problem. Are we ready for the problem? Are we problem ready? Yes. Are we problem ready? Yes, yes. We will have a break. It's not even been 2 hours. Okay. It's not even been 2 hours. Okay. Now. So see, cos 10 degree plus cos 20 degree plus cos 30 degree plus cos 40 and all the way up to cos 170 degree, we need to figure out the value. Okay, now one thing I can clearly understand, this 10 degree and this 170 degree can be clubbed together. Right? So this will become actually cos 10 degree plus cos 170 degree. Okay, plus. Now 20 can be clubbed with 160. Okay. How many terms we can see over here? How many terms are there? So we can see 10 se start. Okay. We are having 7, 10, 20, 30. 90 is missing. Can you see? Cos 90 degree is missing over here. Can you see cos 90? How many terms are there? Actually, starting with 1 to 17, how many terms? 17. But 90 degree is missing, so total 16 terms are there. If I make them in pair, right? So 10 degree will have 17, 20 degree will have 160 degree, 30 degree will also have 40, 50, but basically 80 degree will have its pairing with 100 degree. So that supplementary angles we are forming. Okay, can you see? Cos theta and this is cos 180 minus 10. Cos 180 minus 10. Cos 180 minus theta is what? Minus cos theta. So this actually will become what? Cos 10 degree minus cos 10 degree. Are you getting my point? 170 I will write 180 minus 10. Okay. Now cos 180 minus whatever is cos whatever. So cos 180 minus 10 will become what? Minus cos 10. So this will become 0. Similarly, this will also become 0. So overall, the answer of this particular question is a big fat 0. Okay. All right. Yes. Clear? Yes, yes. Break होगा 5-10 minutes के बाद we'll take a proper break. 20 minutes break. Okay. See, trigonometry, now we have begun the serious things. Wavy curve method was a small chapter. Logarithm was also a small chapter. Trigonometry is huge chapter. Okay. So the session is going to be really long. And I'm going to teach it. I'm not going to drop it. Okay. I'm going to teach it everything so that you can come back later on and check what was missed. Okay. All right. It is in detailed lecture. Now one question we need to do based on reduction formula, we can say, or allied angle formula. So this is application of allied angle formula. Are we ready to do it? Sine 420 degree, cos 390. Cos minus 300 and sine minus 330. Please understand. Who is going to tell me? Cos of minus theta is what? Plus cos theta. I just told you about the negative angle. Only cos is positive. But sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Can we rewrite it? Can we just rewrite it? So it will become sine 420 degree cos 390 degree minus, see what is happening. So cos minus 300 remains cos 300. But sine minus 330 will give a minus sign and it will become sine 330 degree. Okay. All right. So 420 degree till आज का session is going to be really long. We'll try to finish it by 10:30, but please be prepared. It can go up to 11ish as well. Okay, so be prepared, है ना? Please do not even ask in roar series. Do not ask कि ma'am when are we going to done? Please dedicate your 5 onwards infinity, ma'am. 5 onwards, whenever you have patience, whenever you have energy, till then we are going to study. Okay. Now 420 degree. So sine 420 degree. So please understand it is in degrees. Okay. So if I talk about the pi, 2 pi, है ना? We always talk about pi plus 2 pi plus. So 420 degrees, so 2 pi is actually 360 degree. So I can see that all the angles are somewhat around 360 degrees. Some are greater than 360, some are less than 360. So I am going to write this as sine of, quickly, sine of, can I write 360, which is 2 pi by the way, 360 plus 60, correct, is 420. Then cos of 360 plus 30, then minus cos of 300. Now what is 300? 360 minus 60, and this is going to be sine 360 minus 30, correct? Okay. All right. Now sine 2 pi plus theta, this is actually sine 2 pi plus theta. Sine 2 pi plus theta. What is sine 2 pi plus theta? First quadrant. Now let me just draw it. 2 pi. Sine 2 pi plus theta, first quadrant, all positive. So it is going to be sine theta only, right? So this is sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Multiply. Cos, again cos 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta is always positive, whether it is cos or sine. So again this is cos of 30 degree. Why? Because 2 pi plus theta is first quadrant, all positive. This is also done. Minus, we are having 2 pi minus theta. Now 2 pi minus theta is fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So cos 60 degree and multiply sine 2 pi minus 30. So 2 pi minus 30 is fourth quadrant, cos positive, sine, ma'am, sine negative. So minus minus, this is sine 30 degree. Alright, now we just need to plug in the value. Sine 30 degree. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. cos 30 degrees again root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 half and sin 30 half. Actually these two are my favorite value, cos 60 and sin 30. I love these values. I don't know why. Whenever I see cos 60 degree, I get so excited. Whenever I see sin 30 degree, I am like, what am I seeing? What am I seeing? This is incredible. I see cos 60 degree, I see beautiful, incredible. So yes, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 will give me 1 as the final answer. Okay. All right. I hope that this is clear. Yes. Okay, 1 is the correct answer. All right. Now one more question, one more similar type of question. Tan pi by 11 plus tan 2 pi by 11, tan 4 pi by 11, 7 pi, 9 pi, 10 pi by 11. Okay. So again we are able to see actually the same thing. 10 pi by 11 and pi by 11, if I club them together and if I observe the angles, if this is your theta, then this is 180 minus theta, or we can say if I add these two angles, what do you get? If you add these two angles, what do you get? 180 degree or pi, directly pi. Okay. All right. So yes. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. So tan pi by 11 plus tan 10 pi by 11 plus, club them together, okay? Tan 2 pi by 11 plus tan 9 pi by 11 plus tan 4 pi by 11 plus tan 7 pi by 11. Is that also the same thing getting created? Yes, ma'am. What does that mean? This is a similar question as cos. Just that we need to just make sure that tan theta plus tan pi minus theta. Same thing is happening over here. So this is, if this is theta, this is the 180 minus theta. Now tan pi minus theta, if I apply ASTC rule, this is pi, pi minus theta, so all sine. Ma'am, second quadrant sine is positive but tan is negative. So tan theta will remain tan theta, tan pi minus theta will become tan theta. So this is going to become a 0. So that means this part is 0 plus 0 plus 0. Every pair is same. So finally the answer is what? 0. Yes. 0 is the correct answer of this particular question. All right. Yes. Okay. Now one PYQ. We will do J main PYQ. Are we ready for it? J main PYQ it is. Yes. Similar, based on allied angle formula. That means allied angle topic is a very critical topic. Okay, for you guys. So allied angle formula is important for J main, J advanced, and for upcoming chapters as well. We are going to use this a lot, and in physics as well you are going to use this a lot. Okay. All right. Now let us solve this J main problem. So what they are saying is the expression, this is minus sign, is equal to what? Okay. So I can see that this is sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha. 3 pi by 2, ma'am, family number 2. Family number 2 mein sine gets converted into cos. Okay. But ma'am, we need to check now whether it is minus cos or plus cos. I am saying no. You don't even have to check. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus alpha, it may be positive, it may be negative. All we need to know is either it is plus cos alpha, yes, or it is minus cos alpha. Because the power is there, power 4 is there. So whenever it is, even if it is minus sign, no difference, okay. So basically what I am trying to say is this is 3, just try to just solve it. And this is power 4, so power 4, even if it is minus cos raised to power alpha, minus power 4 will become plus. So you don't have to know, you don't have to worry about the negative sign. In this also no problem. In this also no problem. Power 6 no problem. Power 6. Oh my god, that means we don't have to bother about sign. We just need to know the family, whether it will change or not change. So this is family 2 and this is also family 2. These two will change and these two will not change. Okay. Alright. So 3 is there and bracket, this is going to become cos raised to power 4 alpha and this is going to be plus. This is not going to change. Sine will remain sine. So sine raised to power 4 alpha. Bracket close minus 2. Now this will change. Family 2. So cos raised to power 6 alpha plus sine raised to power 6 alpha. Okay ma'am, this is actually the same similar formula which you already told you the very first thing I taught you. Class 11th trigonometry. Do you remember this? Ma'am, we don't know this formula. This is 1 minus 2 sine square alpha cos square alpha. We met this person like one hour before. Okay. In the afternoon we met this person or not? Yes, minus 2. This is going to be 1 minus 3 sine square alpha cos square alpha. Can you see that if you like study it nicely, no, strategy wise, then you will be able to solve questions from JEE Main. So this is going to be 3 minus 6 sine square cos square minus 2 plus 6 sine square cos square. These sine square cos square is getting cancelled out. 3 minus 2 will give you 1 as the correct answer. So 1 is the correct answer. Just multiply it right away. Minus sine square plus sine square cos square cancel out. So 3 minus 2 will become 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. Correct. I hope that this is clear.